Are you ready to learn 5 new English words? This week's topic is upkeep and improve, and there'll be a quiz at the end to test you on the words. So let's go. Reorganize. Reorganize. It's a verb that means to change the way something is arranged or structured to make it better or more effective. Here's an example. Reorganize the menu. Reorganize the menu. I'll reorganize the menu to spotlight seasonal dishes. I'll reorganize the menu to spotlight seasonal dishes. I'll reorganize the menu to spotlight seasonal dishes. Reorganize your photo gallery too. Foodies deserve a feast for the eyes. Let's review. Say this out loud. Reorganize. Reorganize. Say this out loud. Reorganize the menu. Reorganize the menu. Say this out loud. I'll reorganize the menu to spotlight seasonal dishes. I'll reorganize the menu to spotlight seasonal dishes. Upgrade. Upgrade. It's a verb that means to make something better or more modern. Here's an example. Upgrade my oven. Upgrade my oven. I want to upgrade my oven for perfect croissants. I want to upgrade my oven for perfect croissants. I want to upgrade my oven for perfect croissants. Balance cost and benefit before you act. Let's review. Say this out loud. Upgrade. Upgrade. Say this out loud. Upgrade my oven. Upgrade my oven. Say this out loud. I want to upgrade my oven for perfect croissants. I want to upgrade my oven for perfect croissants. Guarantee. Guarantee. It's a verb that means to promise that something will happen or be true. Here's an example. Guarantee this Moroccan roast fits. Guarantee this Moroccan roast fits. I guarantee this roast fits into your lifestyle. I guarantee this roast fits into your lifestyle. I guarantee this Moroccan roast fits into your hectic London lifestyle. You guarantee it's ready before my next Zoom call? Let's review. Say this out loud. Guarantee. Guarantee. Say this out loud. Guarantee this Moroccan roast fits. Guarantee this Moroccan roast fits. Say this out loud. I guarantee this roast fits into your lifestyle. I guarantee this roast fits into your lifestyle. Inspect. Inspect. It's a verb that means to look at something closely to check for any problems or to understand it better. Here's an example. Inspect each truffle. Inspect each truffle. I'll inspect each truffle for flaws. I'll inspect each truffle for flaws. I'll inspect each truffle for any hidden flaws. You'll inspect them? What tiny flaw would you even spot? Let's review. Say this out loud. Inspect. Inspect. Say this out loud. Inspect each truffle. Inspect each truffle. Say this out loud. I'll inspect each truffle for flaws. I'll inspect each truffle for flaws. Maintain. Maintain. It's a verb that means to keep something in good condition or working well by taking care of it. Here's an example. Maintain these vintage burners. Maintain these vintage burners. I can't maintain these vintage burners. I can't maintain these vintage burners. I can't maintain these vintage burners. They die on me mid-sauce. Hire a pro to maintain them and avoid a health code disaster. Let's review. Say this out loud. Maintain. Maintain. Say this out loud. Maintain these vintage burners. Maintain these vintage burners. Say this out loud. I can't maintain these vintage burners. I can't maintain these vintage burners. It's quiz time. Let's see how well you remember the words from the last 5 lessons. Ready?
Reorganize.
Upgrade.
Guarantee.
Inspect.
Maintain.
Great job! Follow English Class 101 for more English lessons.